Hey, lovely people, Couponer Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a Walmart Ibotta haul for you. Got a few things that I haven't gotten before, so let's jump into it. The first rebate I did was the Neutrogena, okay? Now, this is actually the Neutrogena Healthy Scalp Shampoo, and I found it in the clearance for $4.50. Now, there is a coupons.com coupon. Do believe the paper one, but I did not have it with me. So I did scan it on the coupons.com app, and there is a $1.50 coupon that attached to it. So I did use that. So I had to pay the $4.50 in store, but there is a $1.50 coming back from Ibotta and a $1.50 coming back from coupons.com, making the final cost $1.50. Not too shabby. I wanted to try it anyway because I seen it saying the Healthy Scalp. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. That's very interesting. Let's see what it smells like. It smells pretty good. Yeah. Let's try it. All right, the next rebate I did was the Lemi Shine. Now, I do like Lemi Shine products, so I did want to try this for $3.47. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.47 in store. There's a $1 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.47. Not too bad. Next rebate I decided to do was the Poise, or the One by Poise liners, the 2-in-1 liners. This is the 50 count, and they were priced $5.46 each in my Walmart. Now, I used a $2 insert coupon from the 227 Smart Source. That made me have to pay $3.46 in store. There is $3 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost only 46 cents. That's pretty good to me. Next rebate I decided to do was the little Glade scent cones, okay? Got a lemon and a fresh linen, okay? These were priced 97 cents each. For this rebate, you must purchase the two for a total of $1.94. I got 97 cents back from Ibotta because it is a BOGO rebate. Final cost 97 cents for the two. Not too bad to me. The next thing I decided to get was my little Renews It scent cones. And for the rebate, you don't have to purchase this many, but since I had the coupon, I said, what the heck, okay? I do believe for the rebate, you've got to purchase the 3 to get the $1 back. But I decided to tie in the coupon, which made for a better deal, in my opinion. So you've got to actually purchase 6 if you're going to get the coupon in this deal. Use the coupon in this deal, okay? So they are priced 97 cents each for a total of $5.82 for 6 of them, but you're only going to pay for 4 because you're going to use that insert coupon to get buy 4 and get 2 free, which was actually, I'll have it in the Google document of what insert that came out of, okay? So that made me have to pay $3.88 in the store. They took $1.94 off. Got a $1 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.88 for the 6, or 48 cents each. That's like half price. I think that's a good deal for my little cones because y'all know how I do with those. All right, so the next deal I decided to get, I did this deal again, and it's a great deal. I decided to get the men's this time. This is a Ibotta deal, and this is a Shopkick deal, okay? So with the Ibotta deal, you getting this Degree men's body wash, okay? It's priced $5.47. Use that $2 coupons.com coupon. I like to use the printable, of course, which is going to make me pay $3.47 in store. You're going to make sure that you scan it in store for Shopkick so you can get those 25 scan kicks, okay? And you're going to also get back from Ibotta $2, all right? And you're going to get some money from Shopkick. To me, it's the best deal to try to find it in the store together. Get the body wash and get the soap so you can get a total of scan kicks plus uploading the receipt kicks, which is going to give you back $4 from Shopkick total because they're giving you bonus kicks for purchasing these two together, okay? Now, the pricing for the men's soap is a little cheaper. When I bought the women's, the cherry one, it was $4.97, but the men's bar soap was $4.47. So keep that in mind when you do that, okay? So I decided to get the Degree bar soap, of course, $4.47, $2 for that coupons.com coupon that I had. Now, I do believe they're on the app too if you don't have the printable, okay? So that made me have to pay $2.47 in store. I scanned it in store to get the 25 kicks. Plus, I'm getting $1.50 back from Ibotta. Plus, I'm getting my upload receipt kicks, which is going to make this be completely free and $1.56 money maker, okay? Now, once I did my receipt, I scanned my receipt also to Fetch, okay? Fetch gave me back 11 cents or 114 points. Thank you. Thank you very much, which made it be $1.67 money maker. Absolutely free body wash and soap. You can't beat that with a stick, okay? The next thing I decided to get. Now, remember what I said about these last time when I bought these, and I bought this earlier in the week before the coupon was actually valid, or, you know, I'm not going to say it wasn't valid because the coupon is valid, but it keeps saying that the coupon is not valid, okay? So I do believe it's just a coupon because you know that coupon came out today, okay? So I purchased it today, and what does it do? Says the coupon ain't valid. Ain't nobody got time for them, okay? Ain't nobody got time for Dove. Ain't nobody got time for Dove. So these, I got these, and the reason why I got these, this is the sensitive skin one. It's $3.47, okay? $3.47 each versus the other one that's like the foam one, the little squatty one, is $3.97. Okay, so $3.47 times 2 is $6.94, right? Okay, the buy one get one free coupon that's in today, Sunday, 3/13 Super Saver insert is a buy one and get one free coupon. Okay, that coupon beeped again. The lady pushed it through. I don't know why it beeped, and I'm not caring. $3.47 off. That's all that matters. And gave me $3.47 off, so I only had to pay $3.47 in store. There is a $1 rebate from Ibotta for each one. Boop, boop, $2 back, making the final cost $1.47 for my 2 Dove hand soaps. Great, great deal. Now, the next thing I decided to get was the Suave again, the Suave hand washes, okay? Now, this pink grapefruit is $1.97 in my store, but it appears that the other ones are $2. I don't know why. Okay, so the pink grapefruit is $1.97 times 2 for a total of $3.94. There is a $1 insert coupon from that 3/13 Super Saver insert, okay? Super Save insert. I'm calling it Super Saver, but Super Save insert. All right, so I paid $2.94 in store. There is 25 cents coming back from Ibotta for each one of these, giving you back 50 cents. Also, when I scanned my receipt from purchasing these, Fetch gave me $1.03. That's right. It gave me 1,039 points. So that's the equivalent of $1.03 back from Fetch for purchasing these. I was like, yeah, I wasn't even expecting that. Okay. That dropped my cost down to $1.41 for the 2. Yeah, that was good. I wasn't expecting that. Last rebate I did was on the Butterfingers. The Butterfingers were priced 98 cents on some of the aisles by the register. And then some, or one aisle, it was priced 74 cents. So I told the cashier, it's 2 aisles over for 74 cents. Every penny counts, okay? 74 cents is what I paid. 25 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost, 49 cents. For the Butterfinger. Okay, I was trying to accomplish my Weekend Warrior. I had to do 10 rebates to get my $5 for Weekend Warrior, and that's exactly what I did. So I was like, thank you very much. All right, guys. Now, before we get into the numbers, I wanted to also show you a little bit of clearance that was in the buggy with the Neutrogena shampoo, okay? There was a little bit of clearance in there, so you know, keep your eyes always peeled for the clearance. Check the clearance section. Sometimes you'll find some deals. You can always, you know, go to the little scanner bar on the Ibotta app and just scan things and see if there's a rebate that turns up for it. It could be. Sometimes you're not even aware, you know? Yeah. All right, so now let's talk about the numbers. The total of everything was $42.75. I actually had $12.41 in actual coupons in the store. That made my cost be $30.34. Now, what did I get back in rebates from Ibotta? I got back $13.72. I did 2 separate transactions, and I got my Weekend Warrior, my $5 for doing my 10 rebates. Now, I also expect $1.50 back from coupons.com app for using that for the Neutrogena shampoo, and $4 coming back from Shopkick. I'm expecting my $4 back from Shopkick, and I did get $1.14 back from Fetch for uploading my receipts. That was great. Yes. For a final cost, $4.98 for everything, 18 items. That is like 27 cents, 28 cents each. That is really, really good. I think it is, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, let me know in the comments below the video. And if you're not already a member of the Coupon Crew, would you consider joining us, hitting the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you'll know when I want to come over here and do a video for you. Okay, that's it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Have a great week, guys. Bye-bye.